Hi everyone, welcome to OFW Wealth TV. If you're interested in financial independence and creating passive income, then you're in the right place. Our channel is all about financial literacy and general finance, and we hope you enjoy our videos. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we drop our next video. Now let's dive into today's topic: 15 best investment strategies to make passive income in 2023. In this video, we'll explore some of the most effective investment strategies you can implement this year to generate passive income and build wealth. So, without further ado, let's get started. 1. Dividend Stocks. If you purchase a dividend-yielding stock, you'll receive regular payments from the company. In most cases, companies will pay out dividends quarterly, and the more shares you own, the more dividends you'll receive. For those who don't want to pick individual stocks, you can consider dividend-yielding ETFs and mutual funds. It's worth noting that even high-yield stocks require a significant investment in order to produce enough income to live on. It may be helpful to consult with a financial advisor to develop a well-rounded investment strategy that meets your financial goals and risk tolerance too. Write an ebook. Writing an ebook can be a good opportunity to take advantage of the low cost of publishing and even leverage the worldwide distribution of Amazon to get your book seen by potentially millions of would-be buyers. Ebooks can be relatively short, perhaps 30, 50 pages, and can be relatively cheap to create since they rely on your own expertise. You'll need to be an expert on a specific topic, but the topic could be niche and use some special skills or abilities that very few offer, but that many readers need. You can quickly design the book on an online platform and then even market different titles and price points. But just like with designing a course, a lot of the value comes when you add more ebooks to the mix, drawing in more customers to your content. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing happens when you share and recommend products to others and earn a commission each time someone purchases the product. Popular ways people share their affiliate links include social media, their website, and email newsletters. You may not need to invest a lot of money in this passive income stream, but it could take a lot of time and effort to get it started. People with fewer than 1,000 followers have a harder time convincing affiliates to add them as partners, and you make the most money when you have 50,000 followers or more. 4. Rent out parking space. If you have a parking spot or space to park a car on your property that you're not using, you can cash in by renting it out to others. Some may want to park their car when commuting to and from work, or for the longer term, like if they're traveling. If you have the means, you can even consider renting out a space for others to park large vehicles such as RVs or boats. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. This investment strategy can provide attractive returns, but it's important to carefully assess the borrower's creditworthiness and diversify your lending across multiple borrowers. 6. Rental properties. Investing in rental properties can be a profitable long-term strategy for generating passive income. However, it requires careful research, property management skills, and a willingness to handle tenant-related issues. Conduct a thorough analysis of potential rental properties and consider hiring a property manager if you prefer a more hands-off approach. 7. Index funds. Index funds are a type of mutual fund that tracks a specific market index such as the S&P 500. By investing in index funds, you can passively participate in the growth of the overall market. Look for low-cost index funds with a history of strong performance. 8. Crowdfunding. Crowdfunding platforms allow you to invest in startups or innovative projects in exchange for a share of their future profits. This investment strategy can be risky, but can also yield significant returns if you choose the right projects. Conduct thorough research and due diligence before investing in any crowdfunding opportunity. 9. Cryptocurrency staking. Cryptocurrency staking involves holding and validating certain cryptocurrencies in a digital wallet to support the network's operations. In return, you can earn staking rewards, which can be a source of passive income. Research different cryptocurrencies and their staking mechanisms before participating in this investment strategy. 10. Sell photography online. Selling photography online might not be the most obvious place to set up a passive business, but it could allow you to scale your efforts, especially if you can sell the same photos over and over again. To do that, you might work with an organization such as Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Alamy. To get started, you'll have to be approved by the platform, and then you license your photos to be used by whoever downloads them. The platform then pays you every time someone uses your photo. You'll need photos that appeal to a specific audience or that represent a certain scene, and you'll need to tease out where the demand is. Photos could be shots with models, landscapes, creative scenarios, and more, or they could capture real events that might make the news. 11. Create an app. Creating an app could be a way to make that upfront investment of time and then reap the reward over the long haul. Your app might be a game or one that helps mobile users perform some hard-to-do function. Once your app is public, users download it, and you can generate income. 12. Sponsored posts on social media. Do you have a strong following on social media such as Instagram or TikTok? Get growing consumer brands to pay you to post about their product or otherwise feature it in your feed. You'll need to keep filling your profile with content that draws in your audience, though. And that means continuing to create posts that grow your reach and engage your followers on social media. 13. Invest in a high-yield CD or savings account. Investing in a high-yield certificate of deposit or savings account at an online bank can allow you to generate a passive income and also get one of the highest interest rates in the country. You won't even have to leave your house to make money. 14. Sell designs online. If you have design skills, you may be able to turn them into a moneymaker by selling items with your printed designs on them. Businesses such as Cafe Press and Zazzle allow you to sell items such as t-shirts, hats, mugs, and more with your own designs. 15. Buy a blog. If you want to get into the blogging game, consider buying one and skipping the line on building it. You can get the contacts and relationships of the prior owner and may be able to bring your own too. And you can be generating income from day one rather than building and hoping. And there you have it. 15 of the best investment strategies to make passive income in 2023. Remember, before investing, it's crucial to do your own research, understand the risks involved, and consult with a financial advisor if needed. Thank you for watching the video, and we hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate it if you leave a like, hit the bell, or subscribe if you're new to the channel. Your support means a lot to us. Take care and see you next time on OFW Wealth TV.